What's up everyone? Today I'm going to be unboxing the DJI Mini 2, which is the successor to the DJI Mavic Mini. I've got a video on that which you can check out on the top right. Let's get started. There you can see the front of the box, some of the specs, and the back, which looks pretty much the same as the front. Underneath, there are some more specs. This is the Fly More combo, so there are a few more things than your usual DJI box. So look at the outside of the Fly More packaging. Case has some silica gel and it also has a foam insert, I'm assuming to keep the drone safe. Pretty cool little holder that the Mavic Mini 1 didn't have. Or the Mini 1, I don't know what it's called anymore, but it's interesting. This appears to be the same controller that you get with the DJI Air 2, so that's pretty nice. Don't know if it is the same, but it looks the same. I'm assuming that's how they got the longer range. quick start gun. I don't think I'm gonna go through this one because it's just too many pages. So if you want this one, you can probably find it online. Looks like a C to C cable. Oh, and a micro. Wow, I'm surprised people still have phones with micro, but yeah, good to. There appears to be a USB Type A to Type C cable. And a USB-C charger. Let's have a look at the specs. There they are. So it's 5 volt, 3 amp, 9 volt, 2 amp, 12 volt, 1.5. Ah, there you go. And this is the battery smart hub itself. So let's have a look inside. Same input as the power adapter. This is everything you get in the box. So you get 3 sets of spare propellers. You get 2 replacement, don't know what these are called, but you get 2 of them. You also have a screwdriver because you need a screwdriver to replace the props. You get a charger, and the charger charges everything via USB-C, which is pretty nice. So if you have a laptop, you can pretty much charge everything with USB-C. Even charge 2 batteries at once, with one in the drone and another one in the battery charger. I've noticed that the charger uses an old power delivery standard, which is 12 volt, 3 amps, and it's actually really hard to find any chargers that output this. You do get 3 batteries, which is awesome, so you're probably going to get about an hour and 20 minutes flight time if you fly like me, where you just hammer it sport mode all the time. And just fly like full joystick input all the time. Yeah, it's still pretty good battery life considering the weight. You get a USB-C to C and a USB-C to micro USB-C cable. In the box it comes with a lightning cable, and you can just swap it out by unplugging it from here. I have confirmed online that this is the same controller as the Mavic Air 2, so that's pretty cool. And a new feature I've noticed is that this pause button makes the drone stop really quickly, even more quickly than normal if you just let go of the stick. So that's pretty cool for emergencies. You also get a little protector for the camera, which the previous DJI drones have had. And you get a little thing that wraps around and protects the propellers. I personally don't use it because I find it just takes too long to put it on and take it off. But I guess if you're into protecting your propellers, that can be a nice tool. Here's the smart carry case. I think that's what they call it. And you get a little pouch in here. No pouches on the back. None on the... Oh, yep, you get... No, there's not one on the side. So you just get one there. You get a little slot in here for a tablet. And then you have a little another zip on the front, which I will undo. And you can put stuff in there. I personally don't put anything in here really. You put the drone, this and the other things. I'll show you what it looks like when it's all packed up in the bag. This is what it looks like with everything in the bag packed away. So the drone sits there, controller there, and the cable, the charging cable there, and all the accessories sitting here. Once everything's all packed up in the bag, it weighs about, including the strap, it weighs about 1.3 kilos, 1.4, around that. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna make another video about the Mavic Mini 2, and that video is gonna have some sample footage from the drone. So you can find that coming in the next few days, and just click on the top right, it'll come up if it's already uploaded. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video, dislike it if you didn't like it, and like it if you did. Leave a comment if you want to leave a comment. Bye for now. Lens Addict out.